Good morning. How are you guys? Welcome to Metzuke Dragot. This place is at the end of the world, and then you go left. So today is our second day of the trip, and we are heading towards Eilat. But first we are going to sail in the Dead Sea. Did you do that? Should be fun. Let's meet the motorcycle. This one belongs to Danny. He rides a Kawasaki Vulcan. This is I guess you know this one. Yael is riding the Honda Rebel 500. My Vistrom 650. Those two Honda 750, I don't know. They just came from nowhere. And this is Massimo's T-Max. Okay, we're almost ready. Let's see. Yep. On the way to meet the boats. Bye bye Metzuke Dragot. It was nice being here. We'll come back again as usual. It's Friday. The temperature outside is already 33 degrees. Dead Sea is on my left. It's hard to see because it's a bit foggy today, but the desert and this twisty road is just magnificent. We should meet the people who will take us to the boat somewhere south from here. I think that there will be some gravel road riding, which will be nice. Anyway, it's a lovely day. Wow. I'm sure you cannot see it because the GoPro will make it disappear, but the view of the Dead Sea from here, from above, is really intoxicating. No wonder we come here often. We're very close to the Israeli checkpoint. Basically, we are entering Israel back again at this point. Let's see how it goes. Okay. That went well. Okay, the Dead Sea. You can see some people in the water. Riding here shouldn't be too long. In Shalom, this is the place where we are supposed to be guided to the boats. Let's see. Yes, It's this lady with the 4x4. Upon arriving to the Red Sea, we were obliged to leave our motorcycles behind and be taken by 4x4 vehicle to the shore. Massimo was very busy, as you might see. Okay, it's time to go back to the road. Eilat, here we come. we go along the Dead Sea toward Eilat. Hey, look at those antelopes. Yael. Another one. This one was in a hurry. As we go further south, you can start feeling the desert and its power. Rather deserted here now at this time. The temperature is almost 40 degrees. Massimo, how is it so far? We have only 1 hour to Eilat.
The end of the route. סוף הדרך. סוף הדרך.
Are you having fun?
Lots of fun.
Yes.
Great company.
Almost crying,
Great
lots of
weather.
fun.
Great liar. Danny?
Oh.
A confession, it's awful, I want to go home.
Most of the people will ride straight to Eilat, but the road is so boring over there, so we decided to take the other way around and to cross the desert all the way to the border with Egypt and reach Eilat from its western side. It should be a spectacular road. The desert look like a desert. At least this route is more interesting, I guess. And we will not meet any vehicles on the way. It's amazing. We have been riding here for such a long time and you can hardly see anybody here. I mean, you don't see anyone here. It's like riding on the moon. Riding on the moon is nice. As we are approaching Eilat, the geography is changing and basically we are riding now in what is called the mountains of Eilat. One benefit of these mountains is that the road gets twisty, and over here where there is no traffic, it's just motorcycle paradise. Although the temperatures are something like 40 degrees, it's nice. Over there in the distance there is something that looks like a small castle. Basically it's an Egyptian camp and we are riding along the Egyptian border. Maybe now you'll be able to see it better. Here it is. Belongs to the, yes, this is the border. You see the fence over here. Over the fence, this is the Sinai, starts the Sinai desert. Welcome to Egypt. This is what was left from the geriatric group. And there he is, ladies and gentlemen, the Red Sea. We are almost there. Hopefully Yael will have enough gas to reach the next gas station. Wow, it's beautiful here. Look at those mountains with sharp pikes. Breathtaking. As we were approaching the city of Eilat, we could enjoy the sight of the Red Sea below us and the good new asphalt of the road. Soon enough, we were within the city limits. It was time to get some rest and prepare for our next day, the road from Eilat to Mitzpe Ramon. So stay with us!